What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be doing a review on the Cherry Bomb mufflers. These are the Vortexes. I just picked those up for the old 79 Corvette. Before we get started, do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button for me. I do have some new upcoming videos for some automotive how-to type of stuff, camshaft. We're going to be doing a head install, so we've got a couple cool things coming, and you do not want to miss out on that. So today we're going to be breaking down this video into three parts. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do a walk around the vehicle so that you can kind of see what I'm running here. What you have for an engine or what you have for performance parts is definitely going to affect the sound that you get out of your mufflers. So just take a look at what I have and that'll kind of give you an idea what yours might sound like depending on your application. For the second part of the video, we're going to be doing some sound samples of the current exhaust system that I have. Currently I'm running the Flowtech mufflers on here. They're a turbo style muffler and they're called Raptors. They were on the car when I bought it. Wouldn't have been my choice. I don't like turbo mufflers. I want something with either a chamber or a glass pack. Problem with glass packs is they can be obnoxious, so I'm hoping these will be kind of a combination between the two and they won't be very loud unless I want them to be. For the third and final segment of the video, we will do some sound samples with the new Cherry Bombs installed, and we will do an idle sample. We'll rev it up a little bit and then we'll take it for a ride down the road and see how it sounds from inside the cabin, make sure there's no drone or anything like that. Let's do a little walk around here. I'll show you the vehicle that we are installing the mufflers on. 79 Corvette, I just picked it up a couple months ago. The interior is absolutely beautiful. Whoever owned it replaced all the carpet. They did the seats. I mean, there's not a crack on the dashboard. Underneath the car, all the suspension was redone. Every bushing, rotors, calipers, you know. So taking a look under the hood, we have a stock L48 internally, stock heads, stock cam. Those are going to be changed out in a couple months here. I have a Edelbrock AVS2 650 CFM carburetor under there. We have the Edelbrock Performer intake. And the only other upgrade was, of course, the headers. Those are Flowtech headers, and they are bolted up to true dual exhaust 2 1/4 inch pipes. So I need a volunteer to help me rev this car up, and today's volunteer is going to be Susie Q. You gonna help me out there, Susie Q? Thanks, Susie Q. Great job. When doing mufflers, my weapon of choice is the old-fashioned sawzall. So I just removed the Raptor mufflers, and I thought this would be a good opportunity to lay them side by side with the Cherry Bomb and show you a size difference. The Cherry Bomb does feel significantly heavier, and it is a little larger. If you look at the welds on these Cherry Bomb mufflers, they're absolutely terrible. It looks like a third grader did it, but you know, for a $40 muffler, I guess you really can't complain. If you want perfect welds and all that, well, then you should probably buy yourself a $100 set of Flowmasters. The Raptors are a turbo style muffler. The way the turbo works is there is multiple chambers inside of it. You have a tube coming in, and then you have a tube coming out, and the exhaust gases have to make an S turn to escape the muffler. That hinders performance, it slows things down. You know, with that being said, they did have a nice deep little rumble at idle, but I'm looking for a little more than that. I want to hear my headers. So that's why I went to these. So the next thing to take a look at is the Cherry Bomb design. Looking at the box, it'll show you a nice little cutaway of the mufflers. Basically, this is kind of like a combination between a glass pack and a chambered muffler. These are reversible, and you can see on the inside there's pretty much a straight flow. You can see light through it. If you shine a light on on the inlet, you can definitely see the light coming through on the outlet. But it does have like a little tiny chamber on the inside, and I think that cuts down on some of the drone. A lot of those exhaust gases will go through that perforated area out into the glass packing material. So for me, when I looked at Cherry Bomb's website, I was originally going to go with a chambered muffler, like a cheap Flowmaster. But in this case, I ended up going with these because the flow rates on these were way higher. And that is what we want for performance, isn't it? Okay, let's put them on and fire it up and see what it sounds like. Okay, we're in the car. We're doing about 40 miles per hour here. I'm barely even touching the throttle. And you can hear there's really no noise, no drone. I'm really happy with these mufflers so far. Just cruising along. I'm very happy with these. And here we'll kind of lay into it a little bit so you can hear what they sound like. So we just got back from the test drive. Hopefully I got some good sound samples for you guys. To kind of sum everything up, sitting here at idle when I was doing the sound samples, truthfully I really didn't notice much of a difference between the turbo style Raptors and these new Cherry Bombs. Where I really noticed the difference was going down the road. You can definitely hear a much sharper, crisper sound from these mufflers. I do feel like there was a slight horsepower increase. I mean, you're probably only talking like 6 to 10 horsepower. But when you only have 195 horsepower, that's about a 5% increase. So, hey, I'll take every bit I can get on that. Definitely, I believe these were worth the $40. If you want something a little louder, you'd probably want to go with a chambered design. If you're just looking for performance and good flow rates, well then the Vortexes would definitely be the best choice. And that's pretty much all I got for you guys today. Alright, well again, like and subscribe. Hopefully you guys will tune in to my next video. It's going to be a camshaft and head install on this thing, and we'll take it to a dyno here in town and we'll run it and see what kind of horsepower increases we got out of it. Thanks a lot. Have a great day, guys. See you later.